Alrighty then, we're in the river. Before we start, do you remember how to paddle? Each raft has 2 paddles, one on each side. Use the keyboard to control the paddles. To control Buddy's paddles, use the letter A key and the letter S key. To control Don's paddles, use the left arrow key and the right arrow key. Press one key to paddle on one side and make the raft turn. Press both keys at the same time to go forward. Try paddling around here in the calm water until you've got it. When you are ready, collect all the butterflies to start the race, or press the play button when the race starts. Ready, set, go! Remember, use the letter A key and the letter S key on the keyboard to control Buddy's paddles. Use the left arrow key and the right arrow key on the keyboard to control Don's paddles. A river like this starts as a tiny stream made of rainwater. Did you know insects don't breathe through their mouths? Instead, they breathe through openings on their body called spiracles. Insects don't have bones like you and me. Some, like beetles, have hard outer coverings called exoskeletons. As the river flows downhill, sometimes they flow steeply enough to make big waves and even waterfalls called rapids.
Look, an Adocus!
A stream becomes a river through a process called erosion. Over time, rivers change the land by carving new paths for themselves.
Great job! Dawn found the most insects this time.